Hey there, friends. It is a You Make a Difference Friday here at Harbor Lights. I would like you to make a difference by visiting Moovly, Moovly.com. When you go to Moovly, I want you to simply sign in using your Google account. Hit that login button, choose the Use Google option, and then click on your account to get in. After a moment, you'll see the Agree button, and you need to agree and update it. Click your options and tell them that you're a personal user or a student, I don't care, and tell them holiday or personal videos and hit get started. If you want on your own, at another time you can read those. I'm going to tell you right now, just close all this stuff and follow me. Hit create move. Let's call ours You Make a Difference, and you can copy this. You can add other words down here if you want. I'm just going to paste it and hit next. After a moment, it appears like this, and you have to hit Edit Move to get to the editor and start making cool stuff. Once you followed my movie, you're welcome to do the tour. I'm going to just simply help you build, though. Let's start by picking a background color that you think is cool. I'm going to get some sort of light blue. And then remember, we're talking about You Make a Difference today, so click the text box, click the area, and type You Make a Difference. Once you type it, you can click on it, you can change the font. Find something you think is cool, pick a color that works with your project. I'm going to do a funky green. And then the other cool thing is you can stretch to make it larger. So now it's got a nice little place. You can move it about the screen wherever you want. And then my personal favorite is adding the animations. I'm going to have a hand, push it in. So now when I hit play, boom, in comes You Make a Difference. Alright, so we've got cool text. You can add as much as you want, but let's go to graphics right now and let's add something from the graphics. You can add whatever you think is cool and makes a difference. I'm going to add this nice female that's waving. Simply drop her on the box, shrink her to the size you want her to be, and then arrange her in the clips so that she shows up when you want her to. Drag the slider to the left, and when you hit play, your animation comes out with You Make a Difference, and then the person pops up. And then you can add words that fit it. So I'm going to hit the text box again, and I'm going to type When You're Friendly. Once you've got it in, you can place it so that they're the same time. You can put it wherever you want on the screen. You can even double click it and make it so that it's two chunks, so it kind of looks like a bubble. We can click on her and give her an animation just like we did the other stuff. I'm going to have her fly in. And then I'm going to click on my When You're Friendly, and I'm going to have it fly in as well. And then when you slide it all the way to the left, you can check out how the clip looks. There you go. Let's move down to motion graphics really quick and check out how awesome these are. There are fireworks that you can simply drop. It'll say, hey, you got to be using Chrome, which, hey, that's fine. We are using Chrome. You can put it wherever you want, and then when you hit play, you will actually have fireworks in your clip. You may have noticed the fireworks were in front of the project. You can put the fireworks in back by coming over to this row and dragging the fireworks to the back. So this is the lowest track in the video you're building, and this is the one that is on top. I probably want my You Make a Difference words in front of everything else, so this is where I adjust it. The last thing I want to show you is how to upload media. When you upload media, you need to have your media already on your computer. I have in your MT Tools added for today's journal a royalty-free folder. And I'm a big fan of Ben Sound and also Kevin MacLeod. And these are songs that you can import. I've given you 3 or so. Once you've chosen the song, it shows up in your personal library, and you can grab it and drop it out on the track. You'll want to adjust it so it slides all the way to the left, and mine did immediately. And then I'm going to demand that you have a 15-second clip as you build. So what I'd like you to do is click out on the 15-second mark, right-click on your music, and split that track. If you need to make it longer, you can. But once you split it, hit delete. And then also, we always need to credit our music. So right now, I'm going to add the text crediting Ben Sound for Happy Bee. So you can see I've added a bunch of other cool things to my project, and now I've got my music credits, which I could have made a lot fancier, but I'm in a hurry for you to get the movie ready. So here I hit save, I close the little editor, and it takes me back to the My Moves choice. When you hit My Moves, soon you'll see the You Make a Difference project. When you load it, you have got the choice if you want to publish it. If you think it's awesome, you don't have to publish it. It gives you two options for YouTube and Facebook, which I have not used successfully, but you can publish it to the Moovly gallery. The key is it's public, so your content's visible to others. You can also embed it and share it. When you publish, you must confirm that you own what you shared. So we use the royalty-free music, and because we credited them in the end, we are fine. But always make sure that you actually have the right to publish what you're publishing and hit OK, and your project will be available in the gallery for the whole world to see. Thanks for watching, and remember, you make a difference when you're friendly. Please like, comment, and subscribe.